10 levers, 1 bill. Pull even 3 of them and your next renewal looks very different. Type that question into a search bar and you get the same recycled advice. Reshop every renewal, stack every discount, right-size your coverage. All true, but nobody tells you which levers actually pay or what order to pull them in. That's today. Start with the free money. Lever 1. Reshop at least 3 quotes. Still the single biggest win, and it costs you nothing. Lever 2. Bundle your home or renter's policy with auto, typically worth 10 to 20%. Lever 3. Pay in full instead of monthly and skip the installment fees entirely. Those 3 alone? For a lot of drivers, that's a few hundred back, before lunch. Lever 4. Raise your deductible, but only to a number you could genuinely cover tomorrow morning. Going from $500 to $1,000 typically trims around 10%, sometimes more. Just don't pull this one without the savings sitting there to back it up. Now trim the fat. Lever 5. If your car is a dozen years old and worth a couple grand, collision coverage may cost more than it could ever pay back. Dropping it can free up roughly $300 a year. Lever 6. Still rated for a commute you don't drive anymore? Updating your mileage is worth maybe $75. Lever 7. Auto pay and paperless billing. Call it $60 for clicking 2 buttons. That's roughly $435 a year, give or take. Not one of those took an hour. That's the whole trick. Small levers, stacked. Lever 8. Let them watch you drive. Telematics apps score every trip, like this one. A 94 for smooth braking. Careful drivers commonly earn a safe driver discount around 12%. Fair warning though, brake like a stunt driver, and this lever can pull the other way. Lever 9 gets pulled before you even own the car. Insure a turbo SUV, and you might pay roughly $2,400 a year. The same year sedan? Closer to $1,700. The car picks your premium, so get a quote before you sign, not after. Lever 10. Call and ask for a re-rate. 5 minutes. Real money. Ask them to rerun every discount on your file and to check for billing errors and expired surcharges while they're in there. People find forgotten memberships, low mileage credits, even old tickets that should have aged off months ago. So here's the week. Tonight, pick your 3 levers. Day 2, gather your 3 quotes. Day 3, make the re-rate call. And at renewal, lock the lower rate in writing. Pick your 3, pull them this week. Subscribe, next time the question agents dread at renewal.